Hello my dear students. In this video, we'll see the information about chapters and weightage of marks as well as theory exam pattern and practical exam pattern. Dear students, you already saw the textbooks of physics. So the part 1 and part 2. Now here we'll see the total chapters under this part 1 and part 2. There are mainly 15 chapters are there for your first year PUC. So in the part 1, 8 chapters and part 2, 7 chapters. Now let us see the chapter names and its number of hours and weightage of marks for a final exam. Chapter 1, Physical World. In this chapter gives the information about the physics. So this chapter is 2 hours and 2 mark will be the weightage. And next one, chapter 2, units and measurements. A 4-hour chapter and 3 mark will be the weightage. Here we will learn about the SI units and measurements of physical quantities. And next, chapter 3, motion in a straight line. It's 8-hour chapter and 7 mark will be the weightage. And next one, chapter 4, motion in a plane, 12 hours chapter and 11 mark will be the weightage. Next, chapter 5, laws of motion, 11 hours chapter, 10 mark will be the weightage. Here in this chapter we'll learn about the Newton's laws of motions, force, etc. And next, chapter 6, work, energy and power. This also 11 hours chapter and 10 mark will be the weightage. Next, chapter 7, system of particles and rigid body. So it's a 12 hours chapter and 10 mark will be the weightage. And chapter 8, gravitation. It's 9 hours chapter and 8 mark will be the weightage. So these 8 chapters are under part 1 textbook. And next see the chapters under part 2 textbook. That is chapter 9, mechanical properties of solids. 5 hours chapter, 4 mark will be the weightage. Chapter 10, mechanical properties of fluids. 5 hours chapter, 4 mark will be the weightage. And next, thermal properties of matter. 10 hours chapter, 9 mark will be the weightage. Next, chapter 12, thermodynamics. 8 hours chapter, 7 mark will be the weightage. And chapter 13, kinetic theory of gases. 5 hours chapter, 4 mark will be the weightage. Next, 14th chapter, oscillations. 8 hours chapter, 7 mark will be the weightage. And last one, 15th chapter, waves. 10 hours chapter, 9 mark will be the weightage. So total 120 hours theory part will be there and 105 mark will be the weightage. That is maximum weightage of marks. So this is about the chapters and weightage of marks. So in this 15 chapters, divided them into 10 units. So there are 10 units. So please remember that units also. That is needed for while analyzing the question paper pattern. Now we will see the theory exam pattern. Theory exam will be about maximum of 70 marks. So theory 70 marks, your practical will be 30 marks. So now see the theory part now. 70 marks is the theory. So 3 hours 15 minutes time will be there to write the theory exam. Now let us see what type of question will ask in a final theory exam. So there are 6 question mains are there in the question paper. So in that first main, is very short answer type of questions, that is 1 mark question. So total 10 question is there. So 10 questions you have to compulsorily write. There is no choice in this main. Next, second main, short answer type 1. So that is 2 marks questions. Total 8 questions will ask. 5 questions you have to write. And third main, short answer type 2 questions. So that is 3 mark questions. Once again here 8 question will ask. 5 you have to answer. There is a choice in this. And next, fourth main is long answer type questions. So this is related to that first 5 units, 5 mark derivations. So here 5 mark questions, 3 question will ask, 2 questions you have to answer. There is a choice. And once again the fifth main, it's a long answer type questions. So 5 marks theory type of questions, 3 question will ask, 2 questions you have to answer. So this questions will ask from a unit 6 to unit 10. Next we will see the sixth main, that is numerical problems. 5 marks numerical questions will ask. So total 5 questions are there. In that 3 questions you have to answer. So successive 2 units, 1 numerical will ask. So there are 10 units are there. So successive 2 units, 1 question will ask. That is total 5 questions are there. So this will be the question paper pattern for the final examination. Now let us see about the practical part. So practical final exam is 30 marks. 2 hours examination will be conducted, and you have to perform 18 experiments throughout the year. In that, 1 experiments will be performed for a final examination. Now let us see the mark distribution for a final practical examination. That is, for performing the experiment 20 marks. So you have to perform 1 experiment, that will carry 20 marks. And next 4 marks for a viva voce question. So 4 viva question will ask related to the given experiments, and 4 mark will be the weightage. And throughout the year you have to maintain 1 practical record. That practical record you have to submit it on the day of final examination. So for that 6 mark is there. So 6 mark for a practical record. Total 30 marks is the final practical examination. So this is about a practical examination pattern. I hope you got the ideas about chapters and its weightage of marks, as well as the theory examination pattern and practical examination pattern. Thank you.